I'm in my closet, and I want you to go to your closet right now and look at what you find. I've got suits here, shirts here, you have your clothing. I want you to add up what you think it cost. Chances are it's more than $1,000, maybe more than $10,000. For some of you, more than $100,000. Why are we spending this money? Here I have suits. These are made by tailors. They have fancy buttons. These are working buttons. Let me tell you, this is the dumbest thing ever. I say this not to brag, but to tell you how stupid I am. I paid thousands of dollars extra for every suit because someone convinced me that will look really classy to have working buttons in a tailored suit. We all spend money to make ourselves look our best. We want to have a good impression for that job interview, for that speech, for that pitch to investors. And yet, how much money do we really spend improving our vocal image, how we're actually coming across? For most people, it's very little. It's out of whack. The problem with spending money on fancy clothes, anyone can do that. In fact, everyone does that. There's no way of distinguishing yourself just by having nice clothes on. Ask yourself if you've ever hired anyone or know of someone who was recently hired, was it because of what they were wearing? Chances are no. Did the last promotion go to someone in your organization because of their shoe? Yeah, we all spend money on shoes. Now, here are really expensive shoes. I've worn them twice in the last 10 years. My point is this, not that you can't have nice things, but that you need to spend as much money, ideally more money, improving yourself in what really matters, how you speak, how you present, how you come across, because that's ultimately what's going to get you that job, that promotion, that investment. And too few of us spend money on that. We focus on things like watches and jewelry that anyone can get. In fact, who doesn't have an Apple Watch these days? They're everywhere. It doesn't impress anyone. But if you can impress people with your ideas, with how captivating you are, you will get a real payoff from that. So let's say you're just starting out in your career and you have maybe a $200 suit. Don't be one of these people who says, I can afford a $200 suit, but I can't possibly spend $10 on an online course on how to prepare for my job interview. That is out of whack. And if you have tens of thousands or six figures worth of clothes and shoes and jewelry, then ask yourself, why aren't you investing at least 10% of that on building your own presentation skills, working on your voice, your body language, your stories, your examples, your eye contact, because that's ultimately what's going to help you advance throughout your career. If you've just gotten a new promotion, or you're going for a promotion, or you're going through some major transition in your career where all of a sudden you could be seen by more people, whether it's through YouTube videos or networking meetings, it's time to up your game. Now, you can do it in part by what I'm doing here, making videos every day. But if you want to short circuit that learning process, you may be interested in the High Stake Presenter. That is a coaching program that I've created with my colleague, Jess Todfeld. And it's very intensive for about 8 weeks where we work with you in a group coaching situation to dramatically and quickly boost your presentation skills so that you're ready for that job interview. You're ready for that promotion. You're ready if you've gone out on your own and all of a sudden you're going to be going on podcasts and giving speeches and doing YouTubes. You will be ready. So check out the website. It's linked in the description below, highstakespresenter.com. And please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video.